Alright guys, I think I heard something come to the door. And there it is. My new e-bike. The Jasion EB7 ST, I believe. Another box I believe is going to be the back basket. Their fender. Well, let's drag this in the house and see what we got. Alright guys, well we got our Jasion bike here. We're going to do an unboxing, and we're not going to bore you with all the little things, so we're just going to put this on time lapse and watch me struggle to put this thing together. We'll see how long it takes here. It's about 1:45 right now, so let's see how long it takes to put this bike together. Alright guys, well there it is, all assembled. The battery should have enough charge to just play around with it for a little bit. We'll put a full charge on it tonight. It took a little longer because the sequence of screws to put the fender and the headlight on, that particular area there, were not well defined. So it took a little trial and error and mixing and matching to finally get it to work. But I think for the most part, it's not too bad. We're going to give it a little ride here. Probably back and forth in the driveway just to see how it works out. It's going to be a true test on it because this driveway is gravel. And we've got probably about 3 things we're going to take down to the end of the driveway for recycling pickup in the morning. So we'll give it a little shot, go back and forth and see what it's got, and then maybe if we're feeling good about it, we'll go out on the street. All right guys, wish me luck. This is the first time out on it. I've got it set on 2, and let's give it a shot. I'm going to adjust that camera so it's not bouncing around so much.
for this one. We got our e-bike. We got 10 miles in already today, and we're down to two bars on the battery. So yeah, really, so far I like it. Can't complain. I'll put that link in the bottom if I remember when I put this online. But anyways, appreciate you guys coming along, and until next time, adios.